Today we are talking about the collision of two planets not so far from our own solar system. Thanks to a recent discovery by astronomers, they are able to see what happens when two planets collide. This is a normal process in the formation of solar systems, but this hasn't been spotted in our observable universe until now. And looking at this from our situation, scientists believe that Earth had a collision with our moon. Of course, this would have been well before we had any life on our planet and would take an incredibly long time to get its shape back as we know it to be today. But for the planets that we are seeing this happen to now, they are in the situation we were in 4.5 billion years ago. This other collection of planets is just 23 million years old, putting it in the younger days of its formation. Just 95 light years from Earth, there's a star named HD 172555. Yeah. And I know it sounds like a gaming computer graphics card or something, but this star is surrounded by some dust that is telling us a very unique story. Led by MIT, the team behind this discovery has reason to believe that the impact was between two planets similar in size to Earth. Understanding that our view of space is delayed as light travels to us, they think this happened around 200,000 years ago, which is when Earth was ending one of its many interglacial periods. Moving in at 22,000 miles per hour, this impact would destroy the planet's atmospheres, sending loads of gas and dust into space. But why does dust around a star mean that planets collided? The star has been unique for astronomers for some time due to its large amounts of minerals, but it wasn't until the MIT team decided to look at some data from the Atacama Large Millimeter Array in Chile that the collision became more obvious. They found carbon monoxide in huge amounts circling around the star, about 10 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Okay, but again, why does that mean there was a collision? Well, carbon monoxide in space goes through a process called photodissociation, did I get that? Where the protons from the star ultimately destroy the carbon molecules. So the team jumped into action to test out multiple scenarios of what might have been happening to cause this. After many ideas and tests, they came to the conclusion that it was indeed an impact of two big old space balls, and it all just tends to add up. It's a young solar system, and impacts are common and totally expected. 200,000 years is obviously a very long time, at least for humans, but for space, it's just a fraction of time. All that carbon monoxide will get destroyed from the star's photons, eventually. But for now, we get to sit back and watch the show. This study could give us a new way to find other impacts happening throughout our observable universe. So, while we wait for more data on this collision, why not check out this video to learn more about space? And as always, thanks for watching, and what did you learn today?